Hey guys, it's Jessica from jessica.chalkcouture.com, and I am making a little door sign. I'm using a little, it's like rose gold flower chalkboard from the Target dollar stop. I'm sure you're catching a trend with this the last few days here. I'm also going to use the I Love You A Bushel and a Peck and a hug around the neck transfer. It's super cute. I love it. I decided to use the color chalk pastes of Magenta, Lilac, and Caribbean. You know, they're my favorite colors, and I just think these three colors in particular look awesome for Valentine's Day. I remember one of my favorite paper packs had these colors, and it always makes me think of Valentine's Day when I see it. So what I was doing was showing that I plan to only do certain things in the Caribbean, certain things in Lilac, and certain things in the Magenta. Now, I'm using our chalk paste. Comes in a 2-ounce container, and believe me, a little goes a long way. Using our angled squeegee to pull the color down for the bigger area that I was doing with the Lilac. I did add a little bit of water to each of those colors because I am down to the nitty-gritty with those ones. I really need to order myself some new chalk paste. So I'm trying to work as fast as possible because we have our heat on, so it's very dry in my house. So trying to work super fast so that way the chalk paste sticks. You'll see I have to go back over the Magenta for a quick second because I noticed a bigger spot that was missing, and it looked like it had already dried, so I tried my best and it worked. What I'm doing is flipping the transfer over now to get to the little arrow that's at the very bottom, the little heart arrow that's at the bottom of the transfer. I'm obviously drying it first before I lay the next transfer down. You will see it down there, and I am going to do that in Magenta, and I'll just make it super quickly so that way it goes right on. Came out super cute. I noticed some spots where, sorry I jumped in the front there, I was trying to get it in the water, that's crazy. I noticed some spots where the lilac came off and just went on the bottom, but I just got a little piece of water and added it on. Thanks for watching.